Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 39. We start with this middle box. We're missing 4, 7, and 8. There's a 7 there, so 4, 8. 7 here, so 4, 8. That means that our 7 has to be here. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got a 4 covering these two boxes, so 5, 8, 5, 8. That means our 4 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 4, 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4, and that 4 makes this our 8. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. The 3 can't be there or there, so it must be here. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 1 and 5 here, so this is our 9. 5 here, so 1, 5. For this column, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. This column, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 5 and 8 here, so this is our 7. The 8 here makes this our 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got the 8 here, so 3, 5. 8 here, so 3, 5. That means the only place our 8 can be is here, and that 8 makes this our 5. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 3, 5, and 8. We've got 3, 5, and 8 here, so this is our 1. 8 here, so 3, 5. 5 here, so 3, 8. 3 here, so 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, 7, and 8. Got 7 here, so 2, 4, 8. 7 and 8 here, so 2, 4. 4 and 8 here, so 2, 7. 2, 4, and 8 here, so this is our 7. That makes this our 2, 4, 8. For this row, we're missing 2 and 6. Got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got a 1 here and a 2 here, so this is our 9. That 1 makes this our 2, 1. For this row, we're missing 4 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 4, 9, 4, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, 5, and 7. We got 1, 3, and 5 here, so this is our 7. And the 1 can't be there or there, so this is our 1. For this column, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 and 9 here, so this is our 4. That 4 makes this our 9, 8. That 9 makes this our 4. This 8 makes this our 5, 3, 8. That 3 makes this our 5, 3. For this bottom row now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this row, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got the 9 here, so 3, 9. For this box now, we're missing a 6. And for this box, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.